Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Postfix mail server in DKIM, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have root or sudo access to your server. Start by checking the current version of Postfix installed on your system. Open your terminal and type postconf dgrepmail_version. Make a note of the current version for reference. Next, update your package list to ensure you have the latest repositories. Enter the command sudo apt update to refresh your package list. After that, upgrade Postfix to the latest version available. Use the command sudo apt upgrade Postfix. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the upgrade process. Once the upgrade is finished, verify the updated version of Postfix. Run the same command postconf dgrepmail_version to confirm the upgrade. Now, let's configure DKIM for email authentication. First, install the required packages if they are not already present. Use the command sudo apt install opencim tools. Next, open the DKIM configuration file located in the /etc/opencim.conf. You can edit this file using any text editor, for example, sudo nano /etc/opencim.conf. In the configuration file, set the domain name for your DKIM signing. Find the line starting with domain and enter your domain name. Next, specify the key file location by modifying the key file line. Ensure this points to the appropriate path where you will store your DKIM keys. Now, add or modify the selector line to define a unique selector for your DKIM keys. Save the changes and exit the text editor. Next, create a directory to store your DKIM keys. Run the command sudo dir /etc/opencim/keys. Now, navigate to this new directory using cd/etc/opencim/keys. Use the command sudo opencim _selector d_domain to generate DKIM keys. This will create two files, a private key and a public key. Rename the private key file to a simpler format for ease of use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.